So after discuss with many Pega professionals, I'm going to upload this video, guys. So what is Pega? How much Pega tool is demand in IT market nowadays? What are the primary skills is required to become Pega developer? What is the duration to complete a Pega course? Okay, so I will discuss all those things in this session, guys. Watch till the end of the video, then you can understand what are the main skills is required to become a Pega developer. And also one more doubt for every candidate is this coding is required to become Pega developer. First, let me tell you what is Pega. So Pega is a Java-based business process management tool. It is used to build quickly business applications, guys. And there are many BPM tools are there in IT market, but Pega BPM tool is leading in the IT market. Actually, in 2021 and in the coming year also. So there are huge job opportunities are there for Pega developer, guys. Now let's talk about what are the primary skills required to become Pega developer. So to become Pega developer, the primary skills are like PRPC, Pega Rules Process Commander. Pega Rules Process Commander. By using these rules only, we are going to design the business application and develop the customizable application and deploying the application and also integrating the applications, guys. Okay, by using PRPC, Pega Rules Process Commander. So to become Pega developer, the coding skills are not required, guys. So if you have any object-oriented concept knowledge, that is added advantage to you to learn easily Pega concepts. That's enough, guys. So without knowing programming skills also, you can easily learn Pega concepts and you can easily become Pega developer, guys. Okay, so you no need to learn any JavaScript or Java or any other programming language, guys. Become a Pega developer, you should know these concepts, guys, like creating user interfaces using harness, sections, portal, layouts, flow actions. So these are the rules you have to use to create the user interfaces, UIs, to build the business application. And also you should know some designing applications like setting up access groups, access roles, organization, okay, worker groups. You should know these skills, guys. And also as a Pega developer, you should know these skills also, guys, like designing the workflows, flow actions and activities. And also as a Pega developer, you should know other skills also, like testing and debugging skills, guys. To do testing and debugging skills, there are some tools are there in PRPC like Tracer, Clipboard and Live UI. By using these tools, you can do testing as well as debugging the BPM, debugging the business applications, guys. Also you should know the skills like to give the reporting. So by using report definition rule, you can give reports also, guys. So after completion of your Pega course, you have to do some certification also, guys. Who have completed Pega course with certification, those profiles are very recommended in IT market nowadays, guys. There are two types of Pega certifications are there, guys. One is for PRPC Certified System Architect, CSA. This is for junior level, guys. This is for junior level Pega developer who have below 3 years of experience candidate. You have to complete this certification. And the second one is PRPC Certified Senior System Architect, CSSA. These certifications who are having experience in above 4 years or 5 years of experience in Pega environment, those candidates are recommended to complete this certification, guys. To complete this Pega course, it will take time around 3 to 4 months, guys. Suppose if you are more than 4 years of experience as a Pega developer, then you should know other skills also guys, like you have to integrate with the other systems using SOAP or REST or email listener. Okay, so you have to integrate with the other system guys. You should know these skills also if you have more than 4 years or 5 years of experience as a Pega developer. So I hope this video is very helpful. So if you feel this video is very helpful, then please share to your friends also guys. Okay, so and don't forget to hit the like button. So we will meet with one more useful content video. Thank you very much.